Welcome. Welcome to my channel Deep Learning Biology. My name is Dr. Vikash Bhardwaj. Now through this video we are going to have discussion what is value of life. What is value of single human life? What do you think? What do you think? What is value of life? What is value of your life? What do you think? Now, before going further, I just want to tell you that remember what is the biggest thing in this world? The human brain. Yes, if you are going to use your human brain in a proper way, definitely you can achieve most of the things in this life. Yes, here you have to use your brain wisely. So remember, this human brain is having unlimited potentiality. Condition is that you need to use this in a proper manner. So here now you have to increase your creativity. Yes, you have creativity, but today, as your master, I will say that increase your creativity. Think who is having the highest creativity? Children, the God. So try to recall your childhood days and be like God. Think like the Creator and be more creative. So here you must develop in yourself your creativity. Another important thing. Now imagine what goal you want to achieve in your life. What is your goal? What you want to achieve? Imagine. No, there is no need to tell me. Just imagine. Even I will say, don't tell anyone about your goal of life. No. Just keep the goal in your heart. Okay? Just keep the goal in your heart. Yes. Try to imagine clearly about your goal. Imagine what goal you want to achieve. Imagine a bigger goal than this. Just imagine. We have unlimited imagination power. This is the greatest thing in our mind. Unlimited imagination power. Keep in mind, we human beings are hard work of Mother Nature. Billions of years of hard work. Yes, if you see the present day human being, it is going to have the human beings in their body, they are having something like 100 billion generation information. You carry DNA, the genetic material, it carries the information, and you are having information of 100 billion generation. Remember, you are hard work of Mother Nature, Almighty God. So here I am saying, don't believe in yourself. Believe either yes or no. I will say, don't believe in yourself. Don't believe in the God, but rather trust yourself. Trust in the God. Trust the process. Yes, you have to master yourself clearly what is right, what is wrong. You have to train your mind. So here, use your creativity for the imagination purpose. What goal you want to achieve in this life? So Here, be creative like God. Clear? Yes, try to think what hard work you have to do to achieve that goal. Think yourself. Write down what hard work you have to do to achieve that goal. Yes, here I will say, work like a gladiator. Work like a gladiator. Keep practicing every day. Start from simple things, then go for complex things, and keep practicing. Keep noting down how you are progressing, what efforts you are doing to achieve your goal. So first important thing, the creativity, the imagination should be clear. The hard work which you are going to do, it should be like a gladiator. Do that hard work. You have to do. Next important point, live like a master. Yes, to achieve your goal, yes, as a student, as a master, okay, you have to give up many things. Just live like a master. If you are going to do this, definitely you are going to increase value of your life. Yes, once you will achieve your goal, then your value will be entirely different. Today, you might be in confusion whether I will achieve or not. But once you are going to achieve your goal, your value will be quite different. So here, hopefully you are getting, once you are going to have right skills in yourself, I am saying, one, the most important thing is your creativity, your imagination power. Second, that you must work hard like a gladiator. And third, live like the master. Yes, here, if you are going to do this way, definitely, I believe, the success will be knocking your door. Yeah, I agree with you that there are some person lucky. I agree. But here I am talking about those persons who actually need to work hard, who are having a strong determination in their mind that definitely, whatever way, we are going to achieve our goal. So first thing, it must be your creativity, your imagination. This is going to direct you. It is going to give you a force that this you have to do. Yes, sometimes you are feeling low in energy, then take rest. And whenever you are high in energy, whenever in your body you are full of energy, then take priority, give priority to achieve that goal. So work as per your energy. Remember, in your body, energy is going to fluctuate. But whenever your energy is high, okay, then use that energy to achieve your goal. That is the most important thing. So here, try to work on yourself, be your own master, be your own motivator, so that you can achieve your goal. Remember, in this world, you will get some of the human beings, they are going to give you right guidance. Some of the human beings, they are going to give you wrong guidance. You have to develop your mind in such a way so that you can understand what is right, what is wrong. That is the purpose of education. So here you have to educate yourself. And you have to develop creativity, imagination power. Then you need to work hard, and you must live like a master. Definitely, definitely. Even the luck is not in favor of you. One day things, they will start turning in your favor. Believe. I will say, no, don't believe. Rather, develop that trust. Trust in yourself. Trust in God. So, hopefully you are getting me. Now, here, through this video, I also want to make you understand what is value of life. What do you think? What is value of life? Here, I just want to tell you one story. Once upon a time, what happened? One master was there. His disciple came to the master and asked the master, "Master, can you please let me know what is the value of life?" The master replied, "I am going to give you one stone. Just try to get to know what is the value of this stone." The student, the disciple, he went outside. He found this vegetable seller, and he asked what price he will give in exchange of that stone. Then the vegetable seller told him he can give just 1 kilogram potato. Then he told, no, I am not going to sell this. I just want to ask what is the value of this stone. Next, he went to a jeweler shop. He asked the price of that stone. Then the person, the owner of that jewelry shop, told that I can give something like 50,000. Then he told, no, I am not going to buy this. I just want to ask what is the price, what is the value of this stone. Then he next moved and met another monk. He asked, what is the price of this stone? The monk replied, it is priceless. Then he later again met his master. He told that everyone told different value. So master told him, yes, based on their capacity, the other human beings, they are going to value differently. But keep in mind, you are invaluable. You are having unlimited potentiality. You are creation of Mother Nature. You are hard work of Mother Nature. Billions of years of hard work. Unlimited potentiality. But in this world, you may not get the right person who can give you right value. Yes. So sometimes, yes, it happens that in life we are not going to get the right value. It's okay. Keep developing your skill. Keep your energy high and high. Go and reach as much energy the Creator has, the God has. Just make everything one. Yes, keep yourself as much high. Okay, definitely one day you will achieve the success. So hopefully you are going to get me. Hopefully you are getting me. That now think like Creator. Think like Creator. Work like gladiator. And live like master. Best wishes for you. Bye bye. Take care.